Hey everyone, nothing's better than a warm cup of chai, right? It's like a big hug in a mug. But have you ever thought about whether chai is actually good for you? Or could it be secretly not so great? Stay tuned because today we're going to find out the truth about our favorite drink. Let's get started. People have been drinking tea for ages, like way back in ancient China, but adding milk is a newer thing. Places like England and India made it super popular and now everyone loves it. But what happens when you mix tea and milk? Let's start with the good stuff. First, let's talk about the good things. Tea has awesome stuff called antioxidants, which are like superheroes for your body. They help you stay healthy and strong. Adding milk doesn't totally get rid of them, so you're still getting a healthy drink. The caffeine in tea gives you energy without making you shaky like coffee does. Milk helps your body absorb the caffeine slower, so you don't get a sudden burst of energy and then crash. Milk has calcium and vitamin D, which are super important for strong bones and teeth, so milk in your tea makes it even better for your bones. Some teas like chai have spices like ginger and cardamom, which are good for your tummy. Milk makes it creamy and smooth, so it's gentle on your stomach. Sounds pretty good, right? But hold on. Before you grab another cup, let's look at the other side. This is where things get a little tricky. Some studies say that milk can make it harder for your body to absorb all the good stuff from tea. This means you might not get as many benefits. Milk and sugar can make your tea high in calories, especially if you drink a lot. So don't drink too much sugary chai. If milk bothers your tummy, you might feel bloated. Don't worry, you can use almond milk or oat milk instead. Tea has something called tannins, which can make it hard for your body to absorb iron from plants. Adding milk might make this even worse. So, what's the final answer? Should you drink chai? Here's what I think. Don't drink too much. If you love chai, go for it, but don't add too much sugar or milk. And sometimes try drinking tea without milk, or try herbal teas. The best tea is the tea you like best. So, how do you like your tea? Tell me in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy tips and fun food facts. Cheers to good health. See you next time. Stay healthy and keep enjoying your chai.